Inhlangano yabahleli bezindaba iSANEF igxeke kabi ukushaywa nokuhlukunyezwa kwezintatheli ngabalandeli baka Zuma ngaphandle komuzi wakhe eNkandla eNyakatho yeKwaZulu Natal. uZuma ubenikezwe kuze kube izolo ukuthi azinikele emaphoyiseni njengoba inkantolo yomthethosisekelo imgwebe inyanga eziyishumi-15 ebhadla ejele ngokwedelela umyalelo wenkantolo. Inkulungwane zabalandeli bakhe zithutheleke eNkandla zizomeseka. Izolo intatheli yezindaba zombusazwe eSABC uSamkele Maseko ube nokhilizisana nomunye wabalandeli baka Zuma.
As journalists, we do know, and especially at a time like now, where there's a lot of not just tension, but there's a lot of misinformation and deliberate attacks on journalists. And the point we make as SANEF is that Samkele being attacked was not a sporadic incident. It stems from a deliberate targeting, which started on social media. Because if you follow what has been happening on social media, where journalists are tagged on certain threats and threats are made to their lives. So what I saw yesterday, now you see the clip you show of that man in military fatigues, that is not the incident from yesterday. That was from 2 days ago.
True.
But what it underlines is that this is a concerted effort to harass journalists and to actually be hostile towards journalists.